This is the way Big Val's mom used to make peach cobbler. It's super easy and one of our favorite comfort foods. I love your new hair color. Thank you. It looks great on you too. And you can make this year-round too. Reserve 1 cup of the syrup from your 29-ounce can of sliced canned peaches. Pour the rest of the slices in a 1-quart dish and set this aside for a moment. Oh, and start preheating your oven to 400 degrees. It takes a while to get up there. Woo-hoo! I love riding. You can have all the bells and whistles you want, Jesse, but this time I'm leaving you in the dust. Dust? Please, Bread Hook. You're about to get lapped by the queen of the tracks. Also, check out this flag in the back. Cool upgrade, huh? Finally, Jill hit the ramp, flies through the air, and boom! No more lunatic racers. No more chaos. Peace at last. In your favorite saucepan, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and whisk those together. This is the best way to prevent cornstarch lumps. These are impossible to get rid of later. 1/8 of a teaspoon of kosher salt and 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm Cinnamonella. 1/8 of a teaspoon of cloves. Cloves might still be sleeping. Not everything in this recipe is from scratch. No, my mom graduated from Temple University with a degree in home economics. Isn't that cool? Mom's hobbies were puppeteering and being a clown. Kinda explains things a little, huh? Add in the reserve syrup, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of butter, and cook this on medium heat for about 10 minutes to get it nice and thick. Then go for 2 minutes longer to cook out any cornstarch taste. Pour it over your peaches and set this in the oven while we make the dough. Okay. Just a little closer. 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 Bah! For the dough on top, you take 1 cup of Bisquick. Yes. 1/2 cup of finely shredded sharp cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1/4 cup of warmed milk. Mix that all together and drop it in heaping tablespoons over the peaches. And then bake for 20 minutes until the crust is a nice golden brown. Look at those delicious, bubbling, caramelized juice. I can eat 2 pieces. Ha-ha! Whee! I'm a tricycle ace! Wow! I'm flying like a fire in the open seas! Whoa! Why does nothing work with these loonies? They turn everything into a carnival! Out of my way, Jum Jum! I'm going to bed.